last class, and I told you that how I make this, how Excel work, how we use this toolbar here. I've explained earlier. But today we just want to do some other things, like what is thing that is very necessary. That means just additional things. Sorry. And what I mean by that one is that, for example, now I wanted to make want to do is something what called combining data. Combining data is that I want to combine one or two more data, such in this format here, in any cell that you desire. Now, for example, now you can see that here. Now you can see that each cell have capacity to hold one data. But if you insert them together here, it will be like normal. It is just like normal inserting data. It is not the way Excel for using of Excel formula. So what are we need to do there? You can just quickly come up there and do some. You can decide to pick any cell. You can pick this cell if you want this cell. The only different thing is that you will enlarge here. You will enlarge the cell, which may affect the display of the old cell. So for you not to do that one, you can go and pick another cell around here, which is in a new cell. For example, this is what I'm talking about here. But now I want to do it, so you will see how I do it. Now another thing I wanted to chip in before I go, I wanted to name this place in such a way that you will see that we can do a copy and paste. For example, now I just this one as a combination. I put this one as a combination, combining data. When I do combining data now, what I need to do there is that I don't need to run myself there. I can come to pick there. Now see, as I do that one now, because I have done the auto copy. Look at this format here. There's auto copy that the way that one look like, because they're in the same subheading. You see that my data, the way display, it also display. If display in capital letter, it also display in capital letter. If display in a small in another format, like another text format, this one will also display in another text format because of these tools here. We have a formatting pointer. See, look the look of particular selection. That is what I'm talking about. That you can pick that one. There is very simple tools that we use to bring about manipulation of data. Now, to do the combining now, what are you going to do there? You can do the combining in different way. For example, I decided to use this cell in this side now. Let's just take some parameter, whether it's going to give us this. So let me just say, normally I told that anytime you wanted to insert function, equal to is very, very important. Equal to, now let's just say we pick, you just come down here, then we pick John, the manager side now. That means I want to talk about the manager side and the goods. The goods plus, let's just say, okay, let me just say, I say plus now. I say plus the goods. This good. Let's see, is it going to work like this? Let me say plus again. Let's just see whether Excel will understand what we're going to bring. Okay, quantity. Oh, good. Let's see whether it's going to work now. See, just whether it's the same format. You see, is it no value? Why do I bring this one? I knew the beginning that is not the same format. Now, how can Excel understand the language of what you mean? It's very simple. It's for you to use the arithmetic mean. No, why can't you use another word that replicating the same word in the English word? For example, now in the multiplication, now I told you we use product. The same way in this place now in Excel, really Excel understand this concept that this is what you are doing, this is what you're going to do. You use another word that can be represent addition. Hand is a good word. For example, I just pick this term here. This one with this one, Excel understand that you wanted to do combine stuff. What I mean by that one, let's just see this one now. Let's just take this one now. We pick this one and the keyboard here. The keyboard. Let's see how Excel will look like. Does you see? You see John does the keyboard. Actually, the space is not there. We do more. So let's see that how we can now arrange this very that will look very fine and look the way that's more presentable and give the space. For example, now what are you going to do there? Just do plus. Plus, pick the particular area that you wanted to do combining of. Now, don't forget the syntax that we're using. And now, what are you going to do there? For you to give a space, you use this syntax here. Giving a space, you can give a space, you can give any command, you can even give equal to is a choice now, because this one is a empty space that you want to leave your a space, or you want to make a comment that you wanted to write something, whatever like that. Now what are you going to do there? You do the hand. Now you want to add another one. For example, now you want to add the goods, the good that the person buy, goods. For example, now good. Wow, we have the good now here. Now you see there. What are you going to do? You can still give it a space so that it will look very nice. Giving it a space is a very nice stuff to do. I give it a space now. Now what I need to do is again that I will come back again and add more top. Then let me add more thing like a quantity. We have the quantity to be equal to 6. Then I come back here. Very simple. As I'm doing it, it's not really something so hard. And don't forget, I will still put the same hand like this. When I do like this now, I will give it like this. And that one, in the giving of that one, you will see that I not give that one. There will be error here because I have to give this place also the space and like that, because they are also part of our goal. Then I have to put it there as well. It's part of it. Now, do you see now? Given to this one now, I now have another one called what? Another one called let's just say the price of it now. When I have the price of it now, that means I am good to go. Let's see how this now. For example, I'm just because of the time there, we put it, don't forget to put the space like this. And the total, why can't you have the total? I would love to have the total here, the total here. When I have this total now I'm giving a space now. I write it to Excel. Now I want to, so let's see how it will look like. Is it going to look the way we want it to be? You see now, it gave us the output that John Doe, the keyboard, and the quantity is 6. While the price is 1,160, and the total of having this one is 6,960 naira. You can see come here again as well. It's very simple. You can see come here. You can see how another so like for example, adding another feature like the same thing I told you. Don't forget to put this one. You put it like this, give it a space. You put it like this. What method? The method of payment they make. The method of payment which is like this. The method of payment which is in there, a credit card. Now when you put this like this, you see that it had the method of payment. You can see that from here now we bring about the we bring about the necessary stuff that we wanted to bring in this one. You see that I wanted to now, for me to change that one now, for me to change any text now, I come to the format that I want the things to look like. So if you try to pick it like that, Excel will not understand the way it works. The only best way to do it is that for you not to work with the data in the each cell, for you to change the text or whatever like that, you have to pick these tools. When you pick the tools, Excel will now understand that yes, wanted to make some text arrangement. You see that I can change the text. I will show you that if I pick the normal one, it won't go. It will rather revive me back to the formula. But picking this cell, then pick this formula, I can change it, and I bring the kind of the way I want it to look like. I can change the color, do etc. by doing this one now. Then when I get done like that, then what I need to do is that I will expand the thing that I try to bring about several data from different cells back together in the one cell. This is what you call combine. I will show you and show you another techniques about in Excel, and like kind of count if and addition like that. Thank you. This is just a short thing I wanted to bring about the combining data here. It is very easy. If you don't get it, just ask me questions. I will answer the questions. Thank you.